This is an explanation for the grammar in chapter 3. One of the things that we'll learn in this chapter is how to count people, specifically number of family members that you have. This one kind of follows the pattern of the round or irregular objects for the first two. For example, one piece of candy is hitotsu, one person, hitori. Two pieces of candy is futatsu, two people, futari. After that, it follows the Japanese counting system that you first learned. Sannin, yonin, gonin, rokunin, nananin. You could also say shinin for that. Hachinin, kyunin, junin. A few things about this. Don't say shinin, because shinin for 4 people, that means a dead person. Additionally, when giving your age, you give the number followed by sai. This is pretty straightforward, except for if your age ends in a 1, 8, or a 10. Instead, that will be contracted into isai, hasai, or jusai. Age 20 is very special in Japan. That's the age when you're legally allowed to drink alcohol, smoke, and it used to be until very recently vote. There's a very special ritual every year in January called Coming of Age Day, when everybody who's turned 20 that year gets dressed up, for girls usually in a nice kimono, and they go around and visit all their relatives to kind of thank them for helping to raise them. Then they go to their local shrine and hear a speech given by the mayor. And they'll see a lot of their former classmates at that, so it's like a combination of graduation and prom. For high school students, ages are going to be either Ju Yonsai for 14, Ju Gosai for 15, Ju Rokusai, Ju Nanasai, or Ju Hasai. Any age ending in a number 9, like 9 years old or 19 years old, it's important to say Kyusai or Ju Kyusai. Kusai means smelly. Here's how the ages work, 1 through 10, Isai, Nisai, and so on. There are going to be several questions in this chapter that use the word what, which is nan or nani. Whenever you get a question like this, you take the nan or the nani out, and then you replace it with your answer. And then, of course, you eliminate the ka at the end because the reply is not a question. For example, nansai desu ka? So to answer this, you would take out the nan and then replace it with a number, like 15 sai desu. Or nannin desu ka? Possibly talking about a group or your family or some other number of people. 6 desu. Nani jin desu ka? Nihon jin desu. Or America jin desu.